Hey guys, welcome to Tocked demo video. Tocked is a one-click app that drives free viral buyer traffic to done-for-you campaigns by exploiting a secret TikTok algorithm hack. And in just a simple click, Tocked makes viral video sites that are optimized for free traffic and automated profit. So I'm going to show you how this powerful software works in the next few seconds. So I'm going to log into my account. So once you log into your Tocked account, you have access to the dashboard. As you can see here, you see the number of websites you've created so far. You see the done-for-you sites that comes with your account depending on the level of package that you purchase or the upgrade. You see the total number of videos you have on all your websites, and you see the total number of traffics you have from all your websites. And on the left menu as well, you can see we have the dashboard, we have the video sites where you can create your video site in one simple click. All you have to do is just to click on new video site. We have the done for you site that is already done for you site that you can just put in your website name and you're good to go. And we also have the ads builder, the training sections, the done for you creatives, and also the support in case you have any issue with the app. So I'm going to create my first site by clicking on the new video site. Okay, so once you click on new video site, you have these options that you have to just enter. So you need to enter your website name. So here I can enter my website name. You see. You see that? Then the website footer note. So you can just put the copyright section here. You see that? So if you have a website logo, you just click here and upload your website logo. Ensure that the size is no more than 100 by 100 pixels. So the next thing is to get viral videos from TikTok. You can do that with the hashtags or search for trending videos. So if you have a particular hashtag from TikTok, then you can use this option, or just go to search for trending videos, and Tocked automatically scans for hundreds of trending viral video on TikTok. So can you see that? So you can select as many as possible. Select this video, select. You can select as many videos as possible, as you can see. So once you're done selecting the number of videos that you want, you click on the confirm selection button. And once you're done with that, you move to the next one, which is the website text color. So here you can set your website text color. You can change the color to whatever color you want. And also you have the website background color. Here you can select the background color that you want for your website. So once you're done with that, the next thing is to add your ads to your website. So there are different ways in which you can monetize your Tocked site. You can monetize with affiliate products, you can monetize with e-commerce products, you can monetize with AdSense, whereby you get paid per view. So you can monetize with anything you could ever think of. So here you can decide to create your own banner using ads builder, or use our done for you creatives here. We already created some ads here, so all you have to do is just to download and use it here. So in this case, I'm going to use our ads creative. So I'm going to click on the choose file to upload those ads. Can you see there? So then the link that I want to redirect, you put the link here. So you leave this AdSense code option blank. But if you want to use AdSense code, that means you paste the code here and then you won't put anything here. So we go to the ad bar too. So you choose the ad creative you want to use again for this. You see that? Then you put the link as well. So you can see there's AdSense code section for that as well. You choose the sidebar ad 3. And then you put the link, which is your affiliate link, obviously. So you can see that's the AdSense code there as well. So then I'm going to add the sidebar ad 4 and just select the ad creative for that as well. You see that? Then you put your link there. So once you're done, then we also have two header ads. We have the one of 500 by 50. So you have to take note of this size if you are creating your own ads using the ads builder. So I'm going to choose the ad. Can you see that? You put your link. Then we have the second ad here. Just like that as well. Then you put your link there, which is your affiliate link. Once you're done, in just a single click, you're going to create a viral TikTok site that is monetized with your affiliate products. So let's say the magic happen now. So as you can see, our video site has been created. You can see the name of the site, the links, the number of visits, and we can get traffic from over 200 traffic sources. Can you see that? And then here's the action where you can edit your site details or you can delete. So let's preview our site to see how it looks like. So I'm going to click here to view our website. And here is our viral TikTok site created in just a single click, as you can see. Now if you uploaded the logo, this will be replaced by your logo. So you can see these are ads monetize with affiliate products. Like I said, you can monetize with different type of products. You can see these are the videos and you can play them. Can you see that? So these are trending videos on TikTok. When you scroll down as well, you see the copyright, the footer section. So this allows you to create TikTok viral video sites in just a single click. So aside that, you can get traffic from over 200 traffic sources in just a click as well. You have to do is just to share it to Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Telegram Messenger, and more. You click on more, you're going to see over 200 traffic sources that you can use to get traffic to your viral video site. And these are the type of videos that people love to watch. People love to watch funny videos, and this gets you tons of traffic to your affiliate campaigns and affiliate links as well. So I'm also going to show you the done for you creatives. So if you click on done for you creatives, you're going to see all the creatives that have been done for you. So you can see these are the done for you creatives, and all you have to do is just to right click and save the image on your system, and it saves automatically to your system. So you see the products you want to promote. Can you see this banner is for click hits, and this is the size of the banner. So this is where you can request for your affiliate links. You can see, so we have different type of banners that you can just download and use it when creating your site. And if you're making use of the done for you sites, you don't even have to add the banners, they are there already. So this is very simple and straightforward to use. And also we have the ads builder. This is where you can also create your own ad creative as well. Okay, so this is the ads builder section. As you can see, it's a very simple, easy to use drag and drop ad builder. So let's say you want to create your own ad creative from scratch. So you can click on create new, or you can open a photo. So if you click on create new, so you specify the width, you already know the size for the ad. We have the sidebar, we have the header bar. There's one 200 by 300, so you're going to do that 200 by 500. Once you specify the ad and you click on create. So once you click on create, can you see you can start designing your ads. You can see you can change the background color. You see you can change it to whatever you want. You apply the color. You can resize, you can crop, you can draw, you can add shapes. Can you see? Once you add shapes, you can drag and drop. Can you see that? Also, you can add text. If you go to text, you can add text. Can you see? You select the fonts and styles. You see that. Click on add text. Then you can double click and edit. And once you're done with your design, you can just save and it automatically download on the system. So that's how to create your own ad creative from scratch in case you have other products you want to promote. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard, and that's all you need to know about this powerful software called Tocked. So Tocked allow you to create viral TikTok video site in a simple click. Thank you for watching. Bye.